Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
To play Cuphead on Android using the easiest method, prepare a Microsoft account with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and confirm you own Cuphead in the Game Pass library or have access via cloud. Ensure your phone is on a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network with at least 10 Mbps download. Wired router backhaul helps. Use a Bluetooth controller or a USB-C controller adapter for the lowest latency. Charge your phone, update the browser or Xbox app, and close background apps to prioritize performance and battery life. Open Chrome or Edge on Android and navigate to Xbox. com/play, which hosts Xbox Cloud Gaming and Browser. You can also use the Xbox app if available. Sign in with the same Microsoft account tied to your Game Pass Ultimate subscription, then search for Cuphead in the cloud library and select play to launch the stream. Pair your Bluetooth controller in Android settings before tapping play. If using USB, connect the controller and allow input permissions. Allow the stream a few seconds to buffer and confirm resolution settings in the Xbox overlay. Once Cuphead is streaming, optimize for responsive play. Reduce resolution in the Xbox overlay if you notice stutter, because lowering quality often drops latency. Aim for under 100 ms round-trip latency by using 5 GHz Wi-Fi, placing your phone near the router, and clearing other active devices from the network. Remap controller buttons if needed for dash and parry, or enable a custom touch layout in the Xbox app for earbuds mode. For longer sessions, power your controller and phone externally and enable battery saver profiles that don't throttle CPU during gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.